excuse me, as you guys know, I have been recuperating from, or maybe you don't know, maybe you're just now watching me for the first time, but I've been recuperating from some surgeries. But even so, I am still looking and thinking about next year and you know, doing my visioning. And I normally start around this time because, you know, I try to take my time and really think about, you know, what I want to look at next year. This is a junk journal. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was this thing for a while where you take plastic bags that are colored and you iron them with a steam iron, and you get this kind of fabric. And then I put some real fabric on the inside and made a journal. So, and you know, in my junk journals, I just throw everything in. As a matter of fact, I think Deborah sent me this. I'll have to look. But anyway, people send me stuff, tags. You've heard me say it before. If you send it to me, I'm using it. And I'm just looking for a page to use. And this is not my whole process. I have an entire visioning class called Dream On over at Artist Magic and online. And but this is how I start. This is how I begin to kind of refine down what I'm looking for. So I think I'm going to use this page right here because I kind of like that there are lines there already. I'm going to put a clip here somewhere. Let's put it here at the bottom. And this is a sticker I got from someone. Isn't it pretty? It's just really pretty. So in this part of my process, make sure y'all can see, I'm using oracle cards or tarot cards or whatever. And I've got this new set of cards that I've been enjoying called the Messenger cards by Sandra Kunz, K-U-N-Z. And I'm going to start with them first and see what they have to say. And they're all just so pretty. And I had already, before I got started and then put them back in the bag, I had already shuffled these. But I'm going to get quiet and, you know, ask what I'm open to receive, what the message is for me in 2023. Because one of the things that I've realized is very, very important to me is health. Not only your physical health, your emotional health, your spiritual health, all of those things are so important. And I feel like sometimes, you know, we're just going along not thinking about them. So, but okay, let's see. So first off, well, that's a good one. Owning your power comes up. I'll put it up here. Hopefully you guys can still see. And owning your power, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just looking in the little book that comes with it to see if there's anything. This jumped out at me. The days of allowing ourselves to be distracted from our truth are ending. Giving energy to anything that's not our truth feeds our addictions to disappointment and drama. So, I mean, that's just perfect. That is perfect for the times that we're living in right now, I feel like. So, and it's perfect for me. So let's see. The next one I'm going to pull from is, this one is called A Wee Star in the Forest of Precious Twigs, and it's Trisha Murray. A lot of these I get on Etsy, and I've really been enjoying this this set of cards. There's something about, you know, the black and white is just really restful to my eyes right now. And I had already shuffled them one time, but okay, just for fun. For some reason, my phone just quit. It just quit videoing. And I had talked about this We stand together but not apart. We are complete where we meet, adding to and making more. One of the things that I think about is, and I talk about this a lot, is that, you know, your art is complete. You are complete just where you are. Do you change and grow and heal and get wounded and survive and get enlightened and do all of the things? Yes, you do all of those things. But in each moment, you are perfect right where you are. And when you meet someone else, they are perfect right where they are. And sometimes that's hard to remember. But so I think that's a great message. And then this is coming from the deck Into the Lonely Woods. Blessings and messages for times of solitude and isolation. And I just love that because I feel like the world has been, gosh, we've been isolating for a long time, right? And even coming out of isolation, there's a lot of grief and stress and worry that we're all processing. So this card says, drink from your own well, water your own garden. So I take that to mean that, you know, look for your creativity within yourself. It's a wonderful thing when we see other artists and we're out in life and we get inspired by other people, but you have that inspiration inside of yourself, right? So you can go to your own well for inspiration and healing, and you can water your own garden. So that was that one. And then this one, you guys know I love Colette Baron Reed. And this is called the Shaman's Dream Oracle. And of course, the one I pulled was number 2, Beloved Radical Acceptance. You know, and once again, one thing that's been really brought home to me in the last couple of years and the last couple of months, because I've been dealing with a lot of pain, is that we have to accept and let go where we are. Right? And so even if there are some things that are bad, I'm still constantly looking for that thing. Like, you know, I'm watching the dogs and laughing, or that pretty sunset, just anything that's a positive, because it's really easy to go down into the depths, right? When you're in pain or you're in grief or you're in stress. So I've just tried to accept, okay, this is where I am. The universe is working for me, not against me. And, you know, you survive it. You come out the other side and you notice a beautiful color or sunset or picture. I know that sounds kind of Pollyannish, but it's how I get through what's been some hard times for me lately. So, so the first thing, and remember, I'm visioning for 2023, is owning your power. And I'm just writing with a normal pen so you can see it. And I'm writing at an odd angle. So if you see me doing weird things with my hand, that's why. And then this one is that we're complete where we meet. And as I said, I've got a whole class. This is just the beginning portion of what I do. And then this one was drink from your own well. I think that's such great advice. You know, I feel like, I don't know about you guys, I'm in my late 50s, pretty much the end of my 50s. And I feel like I spent a large portion of my life you know, looking outside myself for answers and going to that next expert and the next one and the next one. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know, we have to learn and we can't know everything. But these days, I spend a lot of time trying to know what my inner truth and strengths are. So, and then the last one is Beloved Radical acceptance. And I'm going to pull one more, just one more, because I kind of want to know the overall theme. And I'm trying to decide. I think what I'm going to do is use this little, because I love this artwork. This is called the Folk Tales Tarot. It's artwork by Theodore Severin Kittleson. And I love his artwork. He's a Norwegian artist. And I think this is just the major arcana. And as I said before, I shuffled all these so y'all wouldn't have to watch my awkward shuffling. And let's see what we have here. This is so perfect for me. Those of you who know me, you know I'm a hermit. It says, there is someone who can help you through all your problems, and their insight may surprise you. This person is yourself. By understanding yourself, you can better understand others. Well, that just, you know, it's so funny sometimes. Like, I think it was Galia who told me that, you know, basically she said I'm a card surfer. And she's right, because sometimes if I don't get the answer I really wanted, then I'll go to another deck and another deck. But what's funny here is all of these cards are giving me the same message. So the overall message, again, is the person that you need to seek wisdom from is yourself. So, seek wisdom. That's so funny. And you know, what's really funny about it is I'm seeking wisdom from these cards in one way, but really what they are is they're a way for me to tap into my own wisdom. But I went for one more card, and basically, you know, it's saying, hey, I've told you over and over again, you know, you've got to seek wisdom from yourself. And I love this sticker because it kind of, again, is highlighting that whole message that you have the wisdom within you. And then what I'll do is in another video is I will create a piece of art around this, and that video I will add, just like I do every year, to the classroom. Hope you guys are having a good day, and my wish for all of us is that we're in glowing health and that we're enjoying it.